everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jojo Palacio. On this channel we talk about all things beauty, and today we are discussing April's Boxy Charm. So, first of all, shout out to my messy bun situation here. Yes ma'am, curly hair, don't care. And shout out to this look. So this look here was created using most of the products in this Boxy Charm. I will post the video the next time I post. So this is Wednesday. Saturday I'll post a video so you guys are able to see your girl create this look with the Boxy Charm. Sound good? Okay, cool. So let's move on. So this month's Boxy Charm was a little smaller, so I was like, what is going on at first? I'm not gonna lie. I was like, no, take a step back. You went from giving me a huge one last month to like this. But honestly, it did not disappoint. So let's talk about what is in this box. Let me find my phone. What's in here? I opened it up. Hopefully it's still here. Yes, okay, cool. So April 2020 box of products. The first thing that I got in here was the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Primer. Nice thing is that they gave us a different formula for it. So this is the hydrating formula of the primer. Yeah, hydrating face primer to minimize the look of pores. This guy runs for $32. And I'll zoom in. I didn't actually open the box because I have some from one of my Sephora gratis hauls. And I like it. You know that I'm combination skin and I need something to help me with the oiliness, help me conceal the pores in the T-zone, but then keep the rest of my face hydrated. And I feel like this is good for that. I haven't actually used it on its own. This was the first time that I've used it on its own, and I'm seeing how I feel about it. We're only like 20 minutes into me having finished my makeup, so we'll see. But this is honestly a really good primer. Again, it's $32. What else do we have in the box? Yes, so in the box was a Zoeva eyeshadow palette. This is the Screen Queen Zoeva eyeshadow palette. These guys run for $28. It is a 10 shadow palette, and I'll open that up and show you guys. So the only thing I didn't like about this is there's only one matte shade, which is right here. The other thing I didn't like about this is that you guys can see the amount of fallout that's in this pan. There was a lot of fallout on my face. So if you're using this palette, I would definitely suggest that you start with your eyes first and then work into the complexion, because I had to clean up a lot. This shadow is beautiful on the eyelids. Like, I loved it. It completed the look. However, it was all over my face. So that's the only downside to it. I wasn't really impressed with the arrangement of the palette. I don't know why you would put all shimmers and only one matte. I don't know why you would pick the colors that you did. Like, to create a look, maybe you could use a few of these, but there are some random ones that, like, this is my inner corner highlight palette. I feel like I wouldn't be able to create a look with this palette alone. I'd have to constantly use a different palette in combination with, you know, so that was the only downside to that. What else do we have in here? We have Hank & Henry Midori sponges. The duo was $23, which, first of all, I would 100% purchase these again. I might actually go in and order and take advantage of whatever the price is on there. So it comes in this. The sponges are huge, first of all. So this is the first sponge. It started off like half this size, and so the sponge has a flat side because it's got the square at the bottom, but it's a triangular point. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides to blend out with, plus this one. I really enjoyed this. I blended out, I pushed my foundation in with this. I carved out my cheeks with it. I set my under eyes with it, and then there's also a smaller version of it. So here they are next to each other. Love this. So the sponge is nice and soft, but firm enough to where it gets the job done. It like blends things out really nicely. I love the size of this. Like, this was perfect for this area here. I really loved blending out my nose contour. I mean, I like these a lot, and they're $23. So if you're someone who purchases a beauty blender, you're getting 2 sponges for the price of 1. The quality of the sponge is really good, so shout out to Hank & Henry because y'all killed it with that. What else do we have? So there were also Baddington lashes, Harlow 3D Baddington lashes. I don't know why I said lower lashes in the other video, so scratch that. They're Baddington lashes. That's a no for me on these. I'm actually wearing these with another pair layered on top because they weren't really enough. I mean, maybe for a more natural look, first of all, they're super long. And even though they're wispy, they're like super long because I'm used to natural lashes not being as long. I love them like this, like the final look with it being layered, loved. The glue that came in here I really like, but the lashes themselves I didn't like. How much were these lashes? They were $31. No, absolutely not. Like you could get yourself a nice pair of Lily lashes and you wouldn't have to layer them. So you could get yourself a really nice pair of Lily lashes and not layer them, and so that was like a no for me. Absolutely not. Would never pay $31. And then the last thing in my box was an eye brush collection. This one is by Lavish. It is a 5-piece neon eye brush collection and it was $29.99. I did get a chance to use the brushes. So I will say overall first impression, I did not like the overall appearance of the brushes. They just look like, remember when we used to get the paint brushes and they were like very cheap and plastic? That's what they feel like. There's 2 brushes that I did like the performance of the brush. I still don't like that they're plastic. They feel very cheap, very light. I like more of a weighted makeup brush, whether it's eyeshadow or complexion. Whenever I'm doing my makeup, doing someone else's makeup, it just feels better. Yeah, for $29.99, absolutely not. But I like the length of this and the way that this really helped get into the crease, and this is the one that I used for my lid shade. I also tried out this guy. This was the eyeshadow the brow groomer is what it's called. I liked it for filling in the brow. I did not like it for defining. I use my Anastasia pomade. I don't feel like I need 2 brushes to use that. Like that was absolutely not a thing. It filled it in okay. I just couldn't clean up the lines okay enough with this, and I didn't like that. Like, no. I wouldn't pay $29.99. I would go over to the Makeup Shack or Morphe and maybe get some brushes for that price, but came in the box. What can I say? Overall, the box I liked. I mean, I was able to create this look with it, so I can't really complain too much, but I don't know that I would go out of my way to purchase all of the products. I would definitely purchase the Hank & Henry for sure. I love the Benefit Professional, love it. And I think out of all the products, it's really what I would like go out of my way to purchase. I'm actually gonna get off of here and look for more of these because for 23 bucks, those were insane. That's all that I have to say. I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet for you guys because it is just a video to go over and unbox what was inside of my box. If you wanna see how these brushes perform, the lashes, the primer, the eyeshadow palette, check my video out next week. Don't miss it, subscribe and hit the notification button so as soon as that video posts, you are notified and you can watch it. You don't really want to miss out on it, although I'm not a huge fan of the eyeshadow palette. I was able to work with it, and I'll teach you how you're able to do that too if you happen to just sign up for Boxy Charm and get it. It didn't suck, but again, I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. And that's it for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.